So what happens to your body when you start eating healthy? Here are some things you'll notice immediately, and hopefully will keep you eating healthy in the future. Now, I was thinking about this the other day when I was watching a lecture about climate change. You may say, well, what does climate change have to do with eating healthy? Well, the whole point of this lecture was that climate change doesn't necessarily impact you right where you are at that time. The impacts regarding climate change and how it relates to you are distant. It may be somebody who lives far away. It may be 20 years in the future, maybe even your grandkids. And it's really hard to make yourself make changes for things that are not impacting you immediately. We all have this problem. You know, if you put your hand on the stove and it hurts, you're going to take your hand away and you're never going to touch it again. But if you eat some sugary foods and 30 years later you're at risk for a heart attack, that's a much harder association to make and change to make based on those things. So today I'm going to give you some things that you can pay attention to that maybe will happen quickly so you can be motivated to make healthy changes and continue to lead a healthier life. I'm Dr. Blake Schusterman. I'm a board-certified kidney doctor and I'm also the cooking doc. And everything we talk about here today is just for information. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Click the like button, hit that bell so you never miss a new recipe or a new health tip. Every week I want to give you one piece of information, make you more knowledgeable so that you can lead a healthier lifestyle and better your health in many ways. So the first thing you'll notice when you start eating healthier foods is you'll want healthier foods in the future. Believe it or not, but the more you eat them, the more you'll want them later and the more your body will get used to them. So you kind of have to just get over that hump and then your body will keep asking for you to be healthy. Next, and this is my favorite one, you're going to feel better. Pay attention to how you feel after you have a big, heavy meal or fast food. You probably don't feel so good. But if you've eaten a lighter meal that still tastes good, but that doesn't have so many calories or fat or salt, your body will actually feel better, especially if you've made that food at home. Pay attention to your body. It'll tell you how you feel after you eat, and if you pay attention, you'll notice that healthier food makes you feel better. You know what else you're going to feel? You're going to feel more confident. Now, how does confidence have to do with how you're eating? I'll tell you. When you make a decision and you make a change to do something to better your health, you're going to be proud of yourself. And you should be, because it's not easy. But making a decision to go on a walk or exercise or create a healthy meal will make you feel better about yourself. Not only will your body feel better, but you're going to be more confident and you're going to want to keep making decisions to keep up that confidence, to make you feel better, make you feel stronger. You won't regret it. It'll happen pretty quickly. Just think about the last time you made a delicious meal that was good for you, or the last time you went to the gym. Think about the lasting effects of making that decision on your psyche. It's really important. You'll notice a difference immediately. Lastly, your gut health is going to improve. Okay, this may not be something that you notice exactly immediately, but we as physicians are noting more and more how important the gut microbiome is. How your gut microbiome may play a role in anything from your immunity to your brain health, to anxiety and depression. So in addition to possibly helping all these other things in your body, you'll also have less bloating most likely, and you may be more regular. These are important things that can affect you on a day-to-day basis, and I want you to pay attention to. Okay, did I convince you to eat healthy? I hope so. Or I hope that I at least gave you some ideas about what to pay attention to in your own body when you're making decisions to help benefit your health, making decisions every day to cook food at home, making decisions every day to use less salt, less fat, less sugar. There are many things that you can do every day and you will notice the impacts immediately. It's much more difficult to make changes based on things in the future or things that are far away from you, so focus on the immediate changes. Things that you see within the hours and minutes and days from when you eat something that's better for you. I think you'll see a real difference. Thanks so much for watching today. I'm Dr. Blake Schusterman. I'm a board-certified kidney doctor and I'm also the cooking doc. Check out my website, cookingdoc.com, for more recipes and health tips. Check out my book, The Cooking Doc's Kidney Healthy Cooking, a Modern 10-Step Guide to Preventing and Managing Kidney Disease. I will see you next time.